Hi, I'm Kevin. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chive pesto. Chive pesto is delicious on hamburgers, on steaks, on chicken, on fish, on pasta, on mashed potatoes, on crackers. Oh, it makes a great dipping sauce. And the only special ingredient you need is chives. I happen to have some in my garden, so let's head outside. All right, we are in the teeny tiny herb garden, and here are the chives. We've had quite a few frosts here recently. In fact, we've already had 2 snowfalls in May. Can you believe it? But the cold has not affected the chives at all. Now when you cut chives, be sure to cut them from the base of the plant, like this. And then new growth will spring up from wherever you have cut. Yeah, this is a great herb because chives will keep producing all summer long. It's pesto time. Just roughly chop the chives, into about this size. I see that I have some chive blossoms in here too, unopened blossoms. Let me see if I can find that one. Well, I can't. Nevertheless, if your chives have blossoms, feel free to, here it is, feel free to put these into the pesto. And if the flowers have opened, you can absolutely use the flowers, but the stems, once the flowers open, become really hard, so you want to discard the stems. The next ingredient is 2 ounces of slivered almonds. You could use pine nuts or walnuts, if you prefer. And just add them to the chives in the food processor. Then we need 1 cup of freshly grated either Parmesan or Asiago cheese. I'm using Asiago. About 1 cup. And I'm just doing this by eye. And then we need 1 clove of garlic. This is how I peel garlic. Take a water glass, a stout water glass, and bam! And it will unpeel very easily. Have a look. And I'm just going to roughly chop this into a few pieces, and then in they go. Then put the lid on and pulse the ingredients several times just to finely chop them. Okay, looking good here. Now it's time to add the olive oil. Now, the amount of olive oil you use really depends on the consistency you want the pesto to be. If you're going to use the pesto for like a dip for crackers, you want the pesto to be pretty thick, so you only need about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Use more olive oil to make a thinner sauce, say for pasta. And you want to add the olive oil through the food processor's feed tube. So turn the machine on. I'm going to show you a thick pesto first. So this is the proper consistency for a thick pasta, say for dipping crackers in. For a really nice cocktail presentation, just put the pesto in a small bowl, put the bowl on a plate, put some crackers on the plate, put another cracker on top, and voila! Something to nibble while sipping a martini. Let's have a taste. This is superb. Oh, wow, really good. I make this every year, and this stuff never fails to amaze me. And I forgot to tell you that I'm not using garlic chives. No. I'm using common chives. I think garlic chives have a too strong flavor. Anyway, let me show you how to turn this into a pasta sauce. First we have to make the pasta. So I have some water boiling here. Add salt. You always add salt after the water comes to a boil. And then add your pasta. I'm using linguine fini, although bucatini or any other kind of pasta would work just as well. In you go. And then I'm going to boil this just until the pasta is al dente. That will take exactly 6 minutes for linguine fini. Yeah, to make chive pesto pasta sauce, all you do is thin it out with more olive oil. So here again, turn the machine on, and then add just enough oil until the sauce becomes somewhat pourable. I'm probably adding another 1/4 cup of oil. I think we're there. Yep, still a little too thick. So I can add even more oil, or you know what I can do? I can add some pasta water. Hang on. Why didn't one of you guys think of that? Actually, probably all of you were shouting at your computer screens, add pasta water! And your wish is my command. Oh yeah. Look at this. Perfection. Okay, here's my al dente linguine. And here comes the pasta sauce. Yeah, that was the right thing to do. Thin the stuff with pasta water. Which again, I'm sure all of you already knew. Oh, this looks gorgeous. And then all the pasta needs is a little sprinkling of the Asiago. There we are. So good. Really amazing. And I probably have green all over my lips. You have to try this. So, just to recap, chive pesto is one of the best things on earth. Honestly, it's delicious on anything and everything. And besides hamburgers and chicken and fish and steaks and pasta and crackers, I was going to tell you something else you could put it on. And now I can't remember. I'm sorry. So I hope you'll give this recipe a try, and I hope you'll post a comment below. I'm so sorry this video was longer than it needed to be. And oh yes, I was going to tell you, if you don't have chives in your garden, of course you can find them at farm stands in the spring and summer. And if you don't have a garden and you want to grow chives, they grow perfectly well in pots. And the chive plant is perennial, so it will come back year after year after year. You will always have it. And that's all for today. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Bye for now. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to finish off this linguine with chive pesto. It's so delicious. And I wanted to tell you that although the chive is related to the onion family, I mean, it's an allium, it does not have a strong onion taste. It has its own, well, I can only describe it as a mild spring type taste. So there's a hint of onion, but it's certainly not strong. It's certainly not fiery at all. It's just exquisite, okay? And please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.